Shaanxi Meiha Homeland Construction Technology Co., Limited is a company focused on the research, development, manufacture, and sale of industrialized prefabricated steel and timber frame homes for residential and commercial use. We use new construction processes and building systems, such as structural insulated panels (SIPs) and North American lightweight wooden structures and ALWS, to produce strong, durable, energy-efficient, environmentally friendly, economical, and sustainable factory-built homes. Structural insulated panels (SIPs) are our primary building system, and SIPs make it possible to build a strong, durable, environmentally friendly, and energy-efficient home in a short time. A well-built SIP home can reduce annual energy consumption by 70% or more, significantly reducing CO2 emissions. At the same time, the SIP system exponentially reduces on-site construction time and achieves zero construction waste. Relying on our strong R&D strength, strict quality control, and comprehensive technical support, SIP's prefabricated steel and timber houses fully meet the energy-saving and high assembly requirements of developed countries. And we are committed to promoting sustainable, green, energy-saving, and earthquake-resistant industrialized prefabricated houses throughout the country, which will be exported to developed countries such as Canada, Germany, Holland, Sweden, Russia, Australia, Japan, and so on.
The aim of our company is to make the building greener, faster, stronger, more comfortable, low carbon, and energy saving.